In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a README file in Cursor. First, open Cursor and load your project. Make sure your codebase is fully indexed so the AI understands your project structure. Next, open the AI chat panel. This is where you'll give instructions to Cursor. Now, type a prompt like, generate a README for this project. You can be more specific by asking it to include sections like installation, usage, features, and API documentation. Cursor will analyze your entire codebase and generate a complete README file based on your project. Review the generated content, then copy it or insert it directly into a new file named readme.md in your project. You can also ask Cursor to refine the README, simplify explanations, or tailor it for a specific audience. Once you're happy with it, save the file, and your project now has a clean, professional README. And that's how you generate a README file in Cursor. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use our affiliate link in the description.